To a primetime news follow-up, the Education Ministry continues to encourage school administrators to consult parents, students and staff when developing dress codes for students. It comes as the ministry rolls out its new grooming policy for schools. But as Kelisha Williams reports, at least one school principal is not pleased that the educators can be sanctioned for disobeying the policy.
A forum at the Church Teachers College in Manchester on Friday to discuss the Education Ministry's new grooming policy for public schools. Education Minister Favour Williams made one thing clear.
Every public educational institution is mandated to have a documented student dress code developed in consultation with students, parents, and the staff of the institution.
She said students are expected to follow the rules. However, exceptions can be made for wearing certain headgear or accessories for cultural and religious purposes. The minister further explained that schools should also examine whether their rules about school uniforms are fair and how they were implemented. Which brings us back to her point about consultation.
I dare say, if at the end of all of that, a particular institution, having consulted with students, parents, teachers, and all the stakeholders, if they decide we don't want a uniform, I believe that will be accepted as well.
For his part, principal of the Church Teachers College, Dr. Garth Anderson, said he was shocked to find out that some administrators could be sanctioned if they do not follow the policy.
I am not advocating for principals not to follow dictates from the Ministry of Education. But really, should that be the focus, that if you don't follow, you'll be punished, when we are talking about the grooming policy to guide our young people?
Dr. Anderson, who was also speaking at the forum, underscored the importance of schools having certain rules and enforcing a strict uniform policy.
So often you hear in the public space that how students dressing has nothing to do with their learning. Clearly, this is far from the truth. Education is about the total development of the individual.
It comes days after students at the Kingston High School were barred for breaching the uniform policy at the institution. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.